So we've just completed another installation of the Genevo Pro2 M. This is our latest speed camera safety alert system, offering GPS updates as well as radar and as well as passive laser. So it covers for everything that's here in the UK as well as Europe if you do trips into Europe. But the main sort of areas that they will now sort of detect here in the UK, because we're starting to get more radar based cameras here now. Certainly the radar red flex, which tends to be more of the motorway speed limit cameras now at 70 mile an hour ones. So this will detect those as well as the Gatso RT3 and RT4s. If you drive in Europe, then it will cover every eventuality in terms of radar detection in Europe. But for here in the UK, we've got some of the radar frequencies enabled, as well as a passive laser detector, as well as obviously GPS alerts for all the Travellos, the specs, red light cameras, mobile hotspot cameras as well. You've also got the passive laser on this particular vehicle. This customer didn't want to go down with the jammer route. If you do want to put laser jammers on this particular type of vehicle or other vehicles and use it with the Pro2 system, we can actually link the display to that system as well, such as the laser tracked flare or the anti-laser, which means then you will get all the alerts through the main display rather than having to have a separate display. And also you'll have configurations for distance, how long it will actually jam for, and the type of tone that you want as well when you're in the vehicle. But on this one, it's just a passive laser head, so it's only a detector only. It does not do any jamming. We've fitted the head right here, right in the center of the grille on there, so it's hardly noticeable, which is in there like so. And then I'll just show you in terms of what the display looks like and what you can expect from this type of installation. So as you can see in here, we've nicely mounted the actual display unit right in the center here, which is there. As you can see, there's hardly any visibility of any wire on there on the install. The way these kits are designed, they've been designed by installers, so they give you loads of different options for actually fitting inside the vehicle, so pretty much anything is possible. The actual display itself obviously will alert you through the actual display. There is a separate speaker which we install, so from that point of view there's massive sort of volume control as regards to that, so you're not going to miss any notifications on there. But obviously, as you can see, it's really nicely positioned in there, so it's easy for you to see while driving. The actual device itself is easily removable, so if you did want to obviously remove it out of the vehicle, you can, or it's just got a magnetic connector, and then you'll be able to obviously position that back on, like so. Now it's obviously just powering up. This obviously comes on and off with ignition, so it's ready to go as soon as you're ready to drive. If you'd like further information on this Genevo Pro2 M, then please give us a call on 01159 599 995.